Hi guys, it's your boy WCE Graphics. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys another way of creating this photo collage. Yeah, this is another way of creating it. So you have to watch this video now. Yes, you have to watch it. This is what people will not teach you for free. You have to watch it. Sometimes you do spend your time in doing drawing boss, curving it by using manipulating, which is shape 2. But this one, you don't use manipulating, just draw a line across them and intersect. Finish. That's all. And when doing this thing, you have to be creative. Yeah, you have to be creative. So just watch the same way I did that one. That is how I did this, but this one is a many and a different style. This is another style. You get this another style, but it's same way I did the first one. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go and subscribe. Yeah, go and subscribe. The reason why I'm playing or uploading all these videos is because I want you guys to really know how to do this. Yeah, some of you may not know how to do this in my shorts because I did this same short. So please subscribe on the notification button and also share this video so that people will learn. Thank you. And once again, if you want me to do a movie jacket tutorial, comment down below movie jacket. Just comment, write this in the comment section, movie jacket. Then I'll do the design, the tutorial, and send it. Okay. And if you want to be in my mentorship class, please, you also need to DM me too. Yeah, just DM me, then I will add you to my mentorship class. Yeah, I'll be teaching you guys how you can do so many things, how to use perspective. There are a lot in Coreldraw. Yeah, there are a lot in Coreldraw. That is why I said if you haven't subscribed to this channel, then you are missing a lot. Yeah, you are missing, because then I will be uploading so many things. Yeah, I'm just setting up some stuff now. That is why you are seeing me posting some of all this one. Yeah, you can check my videos before and check the previous one. There is a big difference. Yeah, there is a big difference.